Today I am reviewing the ROG NUC 2025 Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a compact yet incredibly powerful gaming PC that doesn't compromise on performance, the ASUS ROG NUC 2025 Gaming Mini PC is easily one of the most exciting releases this year. Packed into a tiny 3-liter chassis, this small machine delivers big league power, combining cutting-edge AI-enhanced computing with top-tier graphics performance and a design that's both functional and stylish. At its heart lies the Intel Core Ultra i9 Series 2 ARL-HX processor. This isn't just another powerful CPU. It's a next-gen AI-enhanced chip that brings in up to 200-plus platform tops, which means you're getting smarter, faster, and more efficient computing with every click and every command. ASUS claims up to an 18% performance improvement over the previous generation. And when you actually sit down and game on this system, you can feel the difference. Boot times are near instant, game load times are snappy, and multitasking is completely seamless, whether you're gaming, streaming, creating, or running multiple background apps. Paired with the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 mobile GPU. Let me say that again, RTX 5080. This isn't just good, it's elite-level mobile GPU performance. DLSS, ray tracing, and AI frame generation all work together to render beautiful, fluid, and realistic gaming visuals that punch well above what you'd expect from a system this small. You'll be able to push settings to Ultra in most AAA titles while still enjoying smooth frame rates and rich graphical fidelity. Even games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, which are known for their intense resource demands, look and run incredibly well. The real magic is in the AI-powered features of the RTX 50 series, where visuals are optimized in real time for sharpness, lighting, shadows, and movement fluidity, making every game feel more immersive than ever before. One of the biggest concerns with small form-factor PCs is heat. After all, more power usually means more heat. But the ROG NUC 2025 tackles that head-on with what ASUS calls QuietFlow Cooling. It uses 3 fans and dual vapor chambers to efficiently push heat out while staying surprisingly quiet. Even during extended gaming sessions, or when the CPU and GPU are both under heavy load, the system remains cool and acoustics never become a distraction. That means you'll hear the game, not your fan spinning like a jet engine. This alone makes the experience more premium, especially for gamers who value both performance and silence. Now let's talk about memory and storage. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, you get a perfect blend of speed and capacity. Games load fast, and file transfers happen in seconds. DDR5 RAM ensures low latency and high bandwidth, making this machine not just great for gaming, but also for creative workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI modeling. And if you're someone who likes to tinker or upgrade over time, you'll love the tool-free access that ASUS built into the NUC's design. Thanks to a simple thumbscrew system, you can pop it open and upgrade memory or storage without needing a toolkit. It's compact, but it's not restrictive, and that's a rare combo in the world of mini PCs. Connectivity is also top tier here. With Thunderbolt 4, multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and fast Wi-Fi and Ethernet options, the ROG NUC 2025 is future-proof and fully loaded. Whether you're hooking up multiple monitors, external drives, VR headsets, or a high-speed capture card for streaming, this system can handle it all with ease. Thunderbolt 4 especially gives you insane bandwidth for things like daisy-chain displays or high-speed external SSDs, making it perfect for both work and play. And finally, we can't ignore the aesthetics. The ROG NUC 2025 is a beautiful machine. It's got a sleek matte finish, clean lines, and a top-mounted power button for ease of access, but it's the customizable ARGB lighting with Aura Sync that brings it all together. You can personalize the lighting to match your setup, whether it's a fiery red, a cool electric blue, or sync to pulse with your music or gameplay. The lighting is tasteful, not overpowering, and adds that premium touch gamers love. Combined with the iconic Republic of Gamers branding, this mini PC looks as good on your desk as it performs under the hood. To wrap it all up, the ASUS ROG NUC 2025 is not just a mini gaming PC, it's a statement. It proves that powerful things can come in small packages. With its elite Intel Core Ultra i9 processor, RTX 5080 mobile graphics, whisper-quiet advanced cooling, massive RAM and storage, and tool-free upgradability, this is hands down one of the most impressive compact PCs on the market. It's a perfect fit for gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts who want top-tier performance in a minimal footprint. Whether you're setting it up in your home battle station, taking on the go for LAN events, or using it for a powerful yet discreet creative setup, the ROG NUC delivers in every way. ASUS has redefined what a mini PC can be, and the bar is now sky high.